In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. After that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Then hit Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!